Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lot of the Law. My name is Prateek Verma from Law Center 1, Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. In last video we completed ideals of the preamble, and in today's video we will complete aspirations of the preamble. And before that you can subscribe to my channel and you can also follow Lot of the Law on Facebook. Links are given in the description box. Now see, first is equality. You saw preamble na? You see what kind of equality is guaranteed to you by the Constitution. Constitution guarantees you two kinds of equality. First is opportunity and second is status. Now see, if a particular Muslim man is able to have opportunity to enter into government service, then Hindu should also get, and vice versa. Christians should also get, Sikhs should also get. If man can have opportunity to take up the government service, then women should also get. And just providing opportunity in availing the rights and services provided by the government, they might not develop equal status. If equal opportunity is given to you and me, our status may not be equal, right? Discrimination abhi bhi ho sakta hai. Let's say because state gave you opportunity that you are free to take exam. I was also given the same opportunity. Cutoff bhi same hogi. And we both cleared the examination. We both are posted on the same rank. But still, we both may not be enjoying the same status. For the reason you know very well. Society अभी भी equal नहीं देखेगी लोगों को. And the status is of three types: political status, economical status, and social status. Now second is justice. See, in which area you want justice? Justice का मतलब क्या होता है? If you are getting something, then I must also get same thing. Political justice. Do you feel in India you have political justice? Yes. If I am able to enter into area of politics, then you can also enter. If I can vote, you can also vote. And what is the proof that we are getting political justice through Constitution? Article 326. Article 326 gives the right to every citizen that you can get enrolled in the voter list irrespective of your religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Now, if we get enrolled in the voter list, eventually we can vote also, we can contest also. If all can vote and contest irrespective of their religion, caste, sex, place of birth, that means there is no political injustice to anyone. Now, next is economic justice. For example, right to public employment. Because you can get public job, you can earn. I can also get public job. I can also earn. Suppose you were born to rich upper caste family. I was born to a very poor and lower caste family. So if you can get government job, I can also get government job. Then I'll become economically as sound as you are. Salary दोनों की बराबर होगी. Other option to earn money is vocation, business. You are free to take up the business. You can, and I am free to take up the business. I can. And state will support you and state will support me. State will give loan to you and state will give loan to me. मतलब क्या? Economically we will become equal. If you are poor man and cannot get a lawyer for you, then state will provide a lawyer for you. कहने का मतलब ये है that economics should not be the reason to injustice being done to somebody. Next is social justice. Now tell me, don't you feel in society that if you are economically able to have justice, if I can earn, you can also earn, we both earn equally good, will we both not become socially equal? No. Casteism. Even if you are equally rich, you may still be discriminated because of casteism. Untouchability may still be practiced on you. Reason you know very well. कहने का मतलब ये है, just being economically equal is not enough. You also have to be socially equal, where society sees you as equally good, and when society will see you as equally good, then only you will get social justice. For example, you and me, if we both belong to different religion and whole society sees you equally good because of your talent, ये है justice. If society treats you wrongly because of your religion or caste, then injustice is there. And Constitution is ensuring social justice by Article 15. Article 15 clause 1 says that state shall not discriminate against citizen only on the grounds of religion, race, sex, caste or place of birth. मतलब state is seeing you as equal citizen irrespective of all these things और यही है social justice. Now next is liberty. Liberty means absence of arbitrary restriction. And if there is an arbitrary restriction, then there is no liberty. And last is fraternity. Fraternity का मतलब होता है भाईचारा, a sense of brotherhood. And it is very essential to promote unity and integrity of the country. Now tell me, do you know the difference between unity and integrity? See, when Indira Gandhi inserted a word integrity which appears to be similar to the unity, then there must be some reason. Now see, I'll try to explain the difference between unity and integrity by an example. Let's say these are the two different components of same thing. ये पेन के दो पार्ट हैं. If I bring them together by whatever way, then I am creating a sense of unity. But once they are the part of the same system, now I prevent them from getting detached. This is called maintaining integrity. चीज को दोबारा बिखरने से बचाना is integrity. And the word integrity was inserted because in 70s particularly some secessionist movement started in Punjab. तो इंदिरा गांधी को लगा now I might have to take some strong step to fight this problem. Then this word was added because nobody should complain that why are you acting so tough. Then she will say that it is to maintain integrity. Now we have completed preamble, and in next video we'll talk about fundamental rights. And make sure you have subscribed my channel, and thanks for watching Lord of the Law. Meet you in the next video.